Meaning of geode.
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 Geode. A geode is a type of rock formation that is typically hollow and contains crystals inside. Geodes form when minerals seep into cavities in rocks and then slowly crystallize over time. The crystal structures inside a geode can vary greatly, with some containing large, impressive formations while others have smaller, more clustered crystals. Geodes are often prized by collectors for their unique beauty and can be found in a variety of locations around the world. Overall, geodes are fascinating geological specimens that showcase the natural beauty and complexity of the Earth's mineral formations.